Hello everyone, now let us try this bit right here. I'm gonna run RIP in this section, these two routers, and then I wanna run Ospf area 0 in here. Ospf area 0 in here. Okay. Area 0 in here. Okay, so let me go to R2 router, Ospf1 router ID 0.0.0.1 network 10.192.168. It was 192.168.12.0. .0.0.0.255, and then I make it area 0. So I'm just gonna get this guy. So I'm gonna use it for R1. We go to R1. Then router Ospf1 router ID 0.0.0.1, and then I'm gonna make this network. So the adjacency will come up soon, hopefully, if the interface is working. Do show IP Ospf neighbors. Okay, so R2 do show IP interface brief. There is one is SPF neighbors. Okay, run inter yeah, this interface is down, so let me see interface gigabyte 0/0, no shot, and R1 no shot as well. Yeah, the interface has come up, that's good. So now these links we are running Ospf area 0, and let me go to R2, say router RIP, and then this network 192.168.13.0 no auto version 2. I'm running this RIP, this link RIP. So let me go to R3, the router RIP no auto version 2, and network 192.168.13.0, and also this guy has a network, an R1 network. So I'm gonna duplicate the text. Okay, and the interface do show IP interface. Auto and this is 1. So R2 is complaining about something. Duplicate router ID. duplicate router ID. Okay, so R2, what does it have? Do show run. Okay, router. Sorry guys, I should have. Oh yeah, the router ID is this guy. So now, okay, the router ID come back up. So perfect. If you go to R1 now, do show IP route rib. I have this 3 network right here, and if you go to R3, I should see IP route rib, the network 1. So I have a 1 here as well. Good. Okay, now R2 cannot see the 1 network and 3 network, because these are, and also 30 network. This bit 3 and 192.168.30.0 and 1.1.1, they all are part of RIB. So if I say do show IP route, so R2 cannot see it. IP route, we don't have any 1 network or 3 network or 30 network, because they are all part of RIB. So to make a connectivity is, I'm going to redistribute, because this guy is the one is going to redistribute R1. So R1, let me say redistribute Ospf, and then metric. So the metric, I'm going to make it just a metric now, like this. And then I want to do a modular redistribution, because now this route is the Ospf routes are going into RIB, and now I'm gonna go to router Ospf 1 now, and then I want to redistribute RIB networks into EIGRB, and then I will say subnets. And the metric, I can make it metric type. No, I don't need metric type. I just said it the metric. Yeah, I can make it metric type E1 by default. By default they are 1, but I'm 2, and then I'm going to make it 3, because by default Ospf external types are 2. Type 2 is the normal. I made it 2. I made it 1. Let me go back and do it 2, the normal. So if I go to R3 now, I will have all the routes, even though there is no many routes running on R2 in Ospf, because only with this link is running in Ospf. So I will see this network being advertised to R3. So now we have this network added, because this network is running Ospf. So Ospf is advertising this one and into RIB, and now it became a RIB routes here. So if I go to R2 now, it has a 1 network, and it has a 1 network, it has a 30 network and 3 network. Before it didn't have any. So now look, show IP route Ospf. Yeah, it has it now. It has 3 network, it has a 30 network, and default is E2. The default is E2. So 3 network is here, 192.168.30 network is here, and where is it? And 1 network is here. So now if I go to R1 and I change type 1, so it's going to be type 1 at that time, because now the default metrics of Ospf is 20, but now I can make it. I can make it. I mean, an enough increased. If this route goes through 20 routers, it will never increase. This is a default metric. But if I make it as a metric E1, external type 1, then it will change. So now let me go to R1 and change. As you said, that was a metric type 1. That was a metric type 1. I'm going to make it metric type 2, the default. Sorry, the metric type 1. So now if you go to R1, no more, you will not see it E2. And also you will not see it 20, because 20 will increase because it is not a default anymore. I will route Ospf. You see now it became E1 and now it became 21 because it increased because of Ospf area this link. Because now up to here it was 20, but here this link has been added, which is the one cost. So now it's 21, and everyone, and this one has a 21, and they are all 21, and it changed. And I hope it has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you and see you on the next